Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can easily disconnect from your speaker House of Marley Get Together from in your Android phone. So, firstly you need to head over to settings and here you need to go straight to connected devices. Now tap this gear icon near your speaker's name and tap disconnect button. Now you are disconnected. To connect back you have to tap connect button here or go back and tap on your speaker in saved devices list. Now as you can see we are paired again. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!